Before you create an account on 168 Chinese shopping app, consider to stay tuned to this video from beginning to the end and pay proper attention to common mistake and common error people used to make when they are trying to create an account on 168 Chinese shopping app without any stress. If you don't want to make the same mistake, consider to stay tuned to this video and pay proper attention to vital information I'm about to explain to you, and the reason why you should stop creating a 1688 account with your phone number without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Tauba, Pinduoduo, JD.com, iDoFish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said earlier, before you can create your 1688 account, consider to pay proper attention to this information I'm about to share with you right here in this video. So recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp, and I'm going to use it as a case study, just like what you see right here. Hi, good afternoon, sir. And this is what come up after sending me message. Please help me. I just got restricted on 1688. Take a look at the screenshot right here. Boom. And this is always happened to recently global version of 1688 Chinese shopping app. Most of the accounts that have this issue are most of the accounts that have this issue are the 1688 app that was downloaded on Google Play Store if you are using Android phone. If you are using iPhone, you are likely to download your 1688 app from App Store. So you can have this type of issue right here. Now, if you have this issue, there is no tendency that you will get access back to your account, most especially if you create your account with your phone number. I will ask you why. I will tell you why. Now let's go back to this particular message right here. So this is my question. When was this happen? Yesterday night, sir. So hope you don't have items on transit. Say no, sir. How did you create your account? He said by phone number to code, which simply means that they entered their phone number, receiving code. After that, boom, the account got frozen. Now, I said, click on go to Tauba app to proceed and send screenshot. Say, even if I tap, it won't get me to the Tauba. I know this, that it will not work. Why this did not work is because of the fact that they create an account with phone number. So if you are creating an account for the first time on 1688 app, you download your 1688 app from Play Store as an Android user, never use phone number. If you download your 1688 app from Google Play Store, from App Store as an iPhone user, never use phone number. So if you really want to enjoy your 1688 app, when you download the app and you download it on Play Store or iPhone or App Store, at the login page, always try as much as possible to create the account with your Alipay. Just click on Alipay icon to log in successful. With that, you are fully secure and protected. Even if you have a restricted issue like this, with you logging in with your Alipay account, you can easily lift restriction of the account in your 1688 app for the fact that you log in with your Alipay. And this is some of the mistakes a lot of new users of 1688 app are making. So if you create your account with a phone number, sooner or later, the account will get frozen. And once the account gets frozen, there is no possibility that you will get access back to the account because of the wrong account registration. 1688 will not tell you this, but from the personal experience and what people have been experienced, I found out that this is exactly the cause of this problem. And to solve this problem, sooner or later, you need to make sure you log in with your Alipay, because it is only Alipay that can guarantee success of lifting a restriction through Tauba right here. So without Alipay, there is no way you can do this process. And once you are unable to do this process, the account is gone and gone forever. See my chat with this person right here that your account is gone. So no way, sir. I say you have to create another account with another phone number. Please, okay, help me with the 1688 customer care WhatsApp number. And this has got me laugh a bit because there is nothing like 1688 customer care WhatsApp number, because WhatsApp is not even allowed in China. So besides, so nothing like that. So for those people that does not even know, I think you know now in this video. I said there is nothing like that. If I create another account with new phone number, can I log in with this phone? It's not possible. This is another mistake people are make. You don't know that once your account is being locked out right here, the IP is also being affected. And if you use the same account to create as many as possible different 1688 accounts, you will still keep getting this particular problem right here. So the only solution to this is to get another device entirely, another phone entirely, create and set up your Alipay account, then download and install 1688 app on your Android phone or iPhone, then use the Alipay account to log in, and you are safe and secure with that. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how to source cheap products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.